Alrighty guys, Cool Guy 3K here. So I'm fairly new to this PubG thing. I've played it before, but let's go ahead and start. Winter holidays, huh? Login rewards. Oh. There we go. Let's do this. Oh, there's a teammate right there. Who is that? Number 1, huh? Cool guys, number 2. Still feeling cool. Especially in this really icy weather, huh? I got no clothes. Whoa. Boxer briefs. Let's do this. What's over here? I see. Whoa! Oh yeah. Didn't hurt at all. Must be those new vitamins I'm taking. Flintstones. Let's go. Alrighty, it's showtime. So as you may or may not know, I like a challenge, so we're gonna land right there. Whoa, swipe the right side of the screen. Yep. I'm trying to land right where that crate is at. Let's see what it has. Oh. You know, the AKM is one of my favorite weapons in this game. It just has a lot of recoil. Let's see what's going on. Where's that crate? Can hear gunshots already. There it is. What in the world? I'm skiing with no pants on. You know my mom's gonna be very proud. Whoa, there's a guy right there. Oh, the sound's kinda a little bit off here. Oh, sorry guy. Let me just take Bluetooth off. Let's do this. That's better. Ooh. What? Seems like everyone's after this crate, huh? You just got shot down by a cool guy. So what's up with this? When can I open it? Oh. Holy crap, this is a mudload of all crates. I just needed a snowsuit. Oh, sorry dude, I beat you to it. Not that far away from the zone. Alrighty. Now I need something that takes the 8x scope. So let's go look around. Oh, these always come in handy at the very end. Oh, another 8 times. I think I'm gonna pick it up just so no one gets it. So what I'm looking for here is any gun that takes an 8 times scope. Once you have that, you pretty much got the game won. That's the way I see it. Whoa, shooting there. DP-28. Whoa, would you look at that. Seems like I'm just too much of a savage around here, huh? There we go. There it is, the meanie. Now this bad boy takes an 8 times scope. Oh, already has one. Let's go. You know, I swear, these things are like the worst to drive. Maybe it's because it has 3 tires. It's so hard to control. Here we go. Get into the zone, baby. Oh, there he goes. And there he goes. There he goes. Oh, it's still flipping. There he goes. Let's go. Downhill. Oh, I hate to leave you, number 3. Is number 3 trying to get on my car? Oh, I'm coming back. Oh, number 3. Whoa, if you look at that. Headshot. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry. Oh, that's horrible. Can you shoot your butt? Oh, man. Let's go. Whoa, what in the world? Man, number 3 is against problems. Headshot. Oh, man. You know what? I think I'm going to stay away from number 3. Oh, man. Finally got some clothes on. Oh, some nice stuff, too. Oh, wow. Wow. Looks like I want to go scuba diving, huh? You know what? I think number 3 is just... You're not even playing number 3. Jeez. Well, I guess since I'm already here, I'm going to go check out what this guy has. Let's go. Time to go. I'm just gonna do the right thing and ski down this. This is so crazy, man. I look like G.I. Joe. What? What? Oh. 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 Look at him, look at him, look at him. Oh, just go around. There he goes. There's a car right there. Might come in handy. It's okay. I like a challenge. Let's go. Oh, man. I'm running out of snow, man. I should have gotten in that car. Oh no, can he ski? Oh, he did it! Oh, he's skiing on the grass. Oh. Oh, well, it's good enough. Let's go. I got 5 energy drinks. I got enough time. Pop open a cold one. Energy drink, that is. Oh, I'm gonna be wired right now. Oh, the Flash who? Look at this guy, all covered up. Now, I need to say, my favorite gun to use with the 8x scope is a car. Not a car that you drive, but K8R. I love that gun. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Let's see who... Let's get some action around here. What's going on? Let me see. The more kills I get, the better. Oh, would you look at that? Let's see who kills who first. He's shooting another guy over here somewhere. Got him. Well, let's see if there's... Oh. Got him. Who else is shooting? Well, I don't know, but the zone's coming, so let's go. It's right there, nice and shiny. If you ever not want to see some shiny stuff, it's right now with the zone. Man, number 3 is like way in there. I just remembered I have a flare gun. Wow. Got to reload, 7 bullets in the chamber, not good enough. Oh, missed that. You know, I love these and I hate these. You can only fit one more person. Oh, get in, get in. Alright. You gotta build up those legs, I understand. Oh, would you look at that? A crate. Oh, I got a message. I love how you press speed boost and flames automatically come out of that muffler. There it is. Oh man, this is so dangerous. I don't even know why I'm doing this. This is so dangerous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, let's go. A bunch of stuff I don't need. You know, usually when I get a crate, I'm trying to go for the, you know, the snipers, the AWMs. Stuff like that, you know, not a fully automatic weapon. I already have one. What? Oh, I'm at the shelter. Where is the entrance on these things? I can never. Oh, there it is. Let's just check it out. What is in? Oh, you know what? Why don't I just shoot my? Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Lucky there. Oh my gosh. That was a close one. Just drop it right here, bud. Drop it right here. Right here. There it is. Oh, what? Jeez. How does everyone know? Just right here. Up. Up. Right here. I'm about to drink another energy drink, man. That was too crazy. Whew.